Hello engineer buddies, welcome to this YouTube channel, Civil Instructor. In this video we will see about some of the unique construction projects in India. Some of them are already constructed, some are ongoing. Cochin Airport. It is an international airport of Kerala. First airport in world which run completely on solar energy. More than 46,000 solar panel has been placed in the airport. This plant has a capacity of 12 megawatt. It is constructed in 6 months at the cost of 62 crore by BOSTCH Limited. It is a eco-friendly project. Nemak Solar Power Plant. It is constructed in Madhya Pradesh. This is the Asia's largest solar power plant which is fully functioning. It is spread over 800 acres, and produces 150 megawatt net power, which is equivalent of 80,600 tons of coal. The total cost of the plant is $180 million. One of the eco-friendly project in list. Another solar plant at Charunka village, in the state of Gujarat, which is spread over 5,384 acres. It has a capacity of 590 megawatt. Total cost of the project is 4,500 crore. Another eco-friendly project in list. Banihal, Qazigund tunnel. This tunnel is constructed in Jammu Kashmir. It connects Banihal and Qazigund. Total length of the tunnel is 8.45 km with 7 meter wide lane in one direction. Its highest elevation point is at 1,790 meter. For designing this tunnel, unidirectional twin tube tunnel design concept apply, as well as integrated tunnel control system use as per international standards. Which includes automation of ventilation, fire control, signals, and electrical system. Chenab Bridge. It is a railway steel and concrete arch bridge under construction between Bakal and Khari in the Raisai district of Jammu Kashmir. Deck height above river bed is 359 meter. Height above river surface is 322 meter. Bridge length is 1,315 meter including the 650 meter long viaduct on the northern side. Arch span is 467 meter. Arch length is 480 meter. It is the world's largest railway bridge. Statue of Unity. It is constructed in Gujarat in the Narmada River near Sardar Sarovar Dam. It is the tallest statue in world with height of 182 meter. Total construction cost is 3,000 crore, and constructed by Larsen and Toubro Construction within 4 years. For designing the statue, wind withstand capacity of 180 km per hour is considered. Earthquake of 6.5 scale is considered for design. 250-ton tuned mass damper is used. Stay tuned with Civil Instructor for more videos.